Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, an apology from the Jamaica Constabulary Force after wrongfully listing a man as being wanted for murder in its Wanted Wednesday social media post.
Now, the JCF took to its social media pages again today, acknowledging that it erred. Raquel Porter has been tracking the story and did now reports.
The apology comes days after TVJ News highlighted the ordeal Alando Gray endured after his photograph was posted on the JCF's Wanted Wednesdays. It also follows public backlash and demands for an apology. Despite multiple requests for an interview, the JCF has yet to respond to our queries. However, on Friday, this post on its social media pages, acknowledging the error, the JCF explained that the mistake occurred due to the existence of another man with the identical name who is in fact wanted in connection with a murder investigation. It says it has conducted a thorough review of its internal processes and quality management systems to ensure the accuracy and integrity of all information it releases to the public. The force adds that it is committed to preventing any recurrence of such errors. According to the JCF, it deeply regrets the mistake and offers sincerest apologies to Alando Gray, recognizing any inconveniences or distress the error may have caused. Mr. Gray spent 4 nights in custody at the Greater Portmore Police Station before he was questioned and released in the custody of his attorney. His photograph, however, remained on the JCF's social media for a week and a day after his release. The photograph posted on the JCF's social media platform was similar to the image in Mr. Gray's passport and the one he used to acquire his police record in 2021. The JCF eventually removed the image from Instagram on June 10, minutes after 5 p.m. But up to today, the image was still on X and Facebook. It was later removed after I pointed it out. The JCF says, as always, it remained dedicated not only to reducing crime and ensuring public safety, but also to upholding the human rights and civil liberties of every individual. Meanwhile, Mr. Gray, who says he has not received a call from anyone in the JCF, is questioning the apology.
Yes, so I saw the statement of apology, and to me that's not a sincere apology. That's not an apology, and it took them this long just to say no. This statement took them this long, and the next thing, so why couldn't they do that apology verbally?
Raquel Porter, reporting for TVJ News.